Today, we're diving into the world of explosive mines. There are several types of explosive mines, each with its own unique characteristics and uses. Let's explore about anti-personnel mines in this video. The M16 and M14 mines are two such examples. These are the countries that made or used these mines during different wars. Let's dive deeper into their working process, exploring each step with meticulous detail. The M16 is comprised of three main parts: the outer casing, inner fragmentation shell, and the fuse mechanism. The firing pin or striker is blocked by the release pin. The release pin is held in position by the release spring. When someone steps on the pressure prongs, the trigger pin moves downward, causing the release pin to shift to the right and release the firing pin. The firing pin then strikes the primer. The primer ignites the delay charge. This delay is to make sure that the person is off the top of the mine. The igniter charge burns and sets off the propelling charge. The propelling charge launches the steel shell up into air, leaving the iron casing behind. The shell ascends to approximately 1.7 meters before the delay element ignites the detonator. Then in quick succession, the booster charge ignites, setting off the main explosive charge. This culminates in a powerful explosion, spreading steel shrapnel in every direction, spanning a radius of up to 27 meters. Before activation, this mine is safeguarded by two critical safety pins. The first is positioned on top, ensuring the striker stays stationary. Meanwhile, the second pin secures the release pin firmly in place. The mine is easily detectable because of its metal content, but this mine is often used with a tripwire. This wire connects to a stationary object and the mine's release spring. When disturbed, the tripwire pulls the spring and release mechanism. This action in turn frees the firing pin, setting off the mine. Coming to M14 mine, also called as the toe popper. This blast-type mine carries a sinister purpose: to disable rather than to kill. It is difficult to detect and disarm because of its very small size, measuring only 2.2 inches in diameter, and also it's made mostly of plastic. Often, Hollywood movies suggest that these explosive devices only detonate when pressure is lifted off them. In reality, the moment someone steps on them, they detonate instantly. To deploy the mine, the operator turns the pressure plate from safe to armed mode. With safety clip on, the pressure plate cannot move downwards, so it is carefully removed. Now let's delve into its inner mechanics. When someone steps on the pressure plate, it pushes the disc-shaped spring downward. This motion then nudges the trigger into action, striking the detonator. The detonator explodes and ignites the main explosive. These mines are deployed in large quantities, as they are very small in size and each weigh only 3.5 pounds. These mines can be disarmed by removing the bottom plug and the detonator. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these animation videos. So if you found value in the content, please consider subscribing and hitting the like button to show your support.